Now, if I see the the next question, so how I can solve this? So let me, yeah, here this is the seventh question. So this is last question. So solve the following systems of three linear equations. So it says that solve this linear equation into MATLAB. So how we can solve the linear equation in MATLAB? So what are some linear equation that we have? 3x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to 7.5. Okay, and also these are two equation that we can solve. Okay, so first it says that a is equal to 3 minus 2 2 5. Okay, it says that first, and again create this 5 and 2 minus 5, and it says like inverse of a into b. Okay, so it is very simple that whatever the question or whatever the linear equations are there, we can solve it into some latex forms. Okay, so if I run this, I'll get the answers, right? Like x is inverse of this expressions, right? So this is the way that you can solve some mathematical equation into MATLAB using some maths inbuilt functions. Also, there are some mathematical function like if I want to find out the mean, or the maximum value or minimum value, I can use or max function for it, or mean, or we can say like max function. Okay, so let me clear this command window.